Welcome children in active education classes. Today we will read about some important questions of acid, base and salt, and these questions are important for class 10 cbse and ICSE board student and other board students also. So first we'll start with our question. So these questions are number 1, difference, write 1 point of difference between each of the following. Number 1, hydrated salt and anhydrous salt. What is the meaning of hydrated salt? Hydrated salt means the salt which contains crystalline of water molecule. These are known as hydrated salt. The salt which contains crystalline of water molecules are known as hydrated salt. For definition, a salt which one or more chemically combined water molecule is called hydrated salt. For example, washing soda. And in this case, this washing soda having 10 molecules of H2O. But in anhydrous salt, a salt in which all water molecules are removed are called anhydrous salt. There is no any water molecules. So these are known as anhydrous salt. Now coming next question. Washing soda and soda ash. Washing soda, what is washing soda? Washing soda, the hydrated salt of sodium carbonate is known as washing soda. Just now we know that hydrated salt washing soda is one of the hydrated salt and it contains 10 molecule of H2O. And soda ash is it is an anhydrous salt and it does not contain any crystalline of water molecules. Next is baking soda and baking powder. Here there is something wrong, that is the baking powder. Baking soda and baking powder. What is baking soda? Baking soda, the formula is NaHCO3, and baking powder, it is the mixture of NaHCO3 and tartaric or citric acid. Baking powder is a mixture of NaHCO3 and tartaric acid and citric acid. That is the very important. It is a mixture of tartaric acid and citric acid with soda, baking soda. NaHCO3, that means baking soda. Next question is, name the acid present in ant sting and give its chemical formula. So you know ant sting is acidic in nature and this contains formic acid. Ant sting contains formic acid and its formula is HCOOH. HCOOH. And also give the common method to get relief from the discomfort caused by the ant sting. So how you can release? Now we can get relief from the discomfort caused by an ant sting by rubbing with baking soda. This is very important, by rubbing with baking soda in the affected area. Baking soda is a salt and a strong base. It is basic in nature. It neutralizes the acid effect of the ant bite when applied to the skin. Okay, so that is the remedy. Now third point is common method to give relief from the discomfort caused by ant sting, and one method is we can also use calamine solution. Calamine is a zinc carbonate solution. It is present. This solution is known as calamine. That means for the relief from the ant sting, we can use the calamine solution. One is sodium bicarbonate solution, and other is calamine solution. By this we can get relief from the sting of ant. Now coming number 3, when zinc metal is treated with dilute solution of strong acid, a gas is evolved which is utilized in the hydrogenation of oil. Name the gas evolved. Hydrogenation of oil, the gas which is used for the hydrogenation of oil, that means hydrogenation of oil, that means hydrogen gas is produced. Name the gas evolved, that means hydrogen gas produced. Write the chemical equation of the reaction involved and also write the test to detect the gas. The reaction is Zn plus HCl gives ZnCl2 plus H2. It is the reaction Zn plus 2HCl gives ZnCl2 plus H2. And test for hydrogen, you know, when we bring any splinter or candle near the gas jar of the hydrogen gas and it gives near the gas jar of the hydrogen gas, the flame of the candle will be blue and it gives a popping sound. So how will you identify the gas is hydrogen gas? Near the hydrogen gas, it burns with blue pop sound and confirm the hydrogen gas presence. That is the main thing. Now coming question number 4. 4 is, what will be the action of the following substance on litmus paper? First is dry HCl gas, and dry HCl gas is neutral. So dry HCl cannot change the litmus paper color of the litmus paper. It cannot change the color of the litmus paper. So there is no effect on the litmus paper. Next is moist ammonia gas, and ammonia gas is basic in nature. So it turns the red litmus blue. It turns the red litmus blue. Next is carbonated salt drink. Carbonated salt drink, carbon dioxide is acidic in nature. So carbonated salt drink also acidic in nature, and it turns blue litmus red. It turns the blue litmus red. Okay, next is curd. Curd is acidic in nature, you know. Curd is acidic in nature. It is sour in taste. So it turns the blue litmus to red. It turns blue litmus to red. Next is soap solution. Soap solution, actually soap contains some strong basic salt. So it is basic in nature and it turns red litmus to blue. Soap solution turns red litmus to blue. Now come in our next question, number 5. What is number 5? Define water of crystallization. In the first question, we define the water of crystallization. What is water of crystallization? Water of crystallization, the fixed number of water molecule present in a unit molecule of salt is known as water of crystallization. For example, in gypsum, the water of crystallization is 2, and its for gypsum formula is CaSO4.2H2O. So the 2 molecule of water is present as a crystalline of water. Next is, in this question, the next topic is write the 2 compounds with example. One is gypsum and other is hydrated copper sulfate solution. Not a copper sulfate solution, it is a hydrated copper sulfate, that is known as blue vitriol, and that is also a hydrated salt, and its common name is blue vitriol. That formula is CuSO4.5H2O. Okay, when we'll heat this blue vitriol, and then this change into white in color, because this crystalline of water will be evaporated and it change only gives the hydrated salt. That's why this blue copper sulfate solution lost its color and change into white. But if we put 1 or 2 drops of 2 or 3 drops of water molecule in this anhydrous salt, again this change into blue in color. So the reaction is, first copper sulfate .5H2O, when heated, this gives CuSO4 and it is white in color. And the next time when CuSO4 again react with water, this gives copper sulfate solution, that is blue in color. That is the answer of question number 5. Now children, let's come in question number 6. So what is the number 6? Define an acid-base indicator. Mention one synthetic acid-base indicator. So acid-base indicator, what is acid-base indicator? Acid-base indicator are those natural or chemical compound which change its color or order in the presence of acid and base. So what is acid-base indicator? The indicators which show the different colors in the presence of acid and base. This is known as acid-base indicator. And the synthetic indicator is phenolphthalein. That is synthetic indicator. Another synthetic indicator is methyl orange. Okay, now come in the next question. Mention if someone in the family is suffering from a problem of acidity after overeating, which of the following substance would be suggest as a remedy? That substance are lemon juice, vinegar, baking soda solution. Mention the property on the basis of which you will choose the remedy. So mainly we will suggest the baking soda solution. We will suggest the baking soda solution. Why we will suggest the baking soda solution? Because baking soda formula is NaHCO3 and it is basic in nature, so we will suggest the baking soda as a remedy to neutralize the baking soda solution, because weak base and react with excess of acid and produce the stomach and produce in the stomach due to the hypothetical hyperacidity, and will neutralize it. Now next, number 7. Question number 7. So what is question number 7? Write the chemical name and formula of marble. That is very simple. What is the chemical name? Chemical name is its chemical name is calcium carbonate, and its formula is CaCO3, and its general name is limestone. Okay. So next, it has been found that marble of the Taj are getting corroded due to development of industrial areas around it. Explain this fact giving a chemical equation. The reason is this calcium carbonate, Taj Mahal is made by calcium carbonate, and it continuously losing its luster day by day, but rapid industrialization was cause is acid rain. The cause is acid rain. What is the cause? Its cause is acid rain, and this acid contains different type of acid like sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid. But when this calcium carbonate reacts with sulfuric acid, gives calcium sulfate, and due to this production, due to the formation of calcium sulfate, is make a layer, blackish layer on the surface of the white marble, and this color, this luster of the white marble become deteriorating. That's why it is losing its luster. Taj Mahal losing its luster. Children, I think you can get the knowledge from these questions. If I will collect more and more questions of this topic, if you benefited from these questions, you give me my like buttons and share this PDF or share this video with your friends. Thank you.